Hi friends, how are you? If you like this channel, please subscribe. Those who postpone the work to be done today to tomorrow due to the same work yesterday. It is prudent to learn lessons not only from own mistakes but also from the other failures. Foolish, honest, weak, useless. The mind that is not dishonest, it is horrible and dangerous. Not answering is also an answer. Even sways can put out files. We have sought, and those who say are not clans. Only good and the bad of what is said. The dream will melt away if you sit still. The dream becomes a contribution if it sits in a practice. Cloths wasted with dry water are not clean enough to dry in the garden. Not blaming the world for not being good, but for getting better before you do. Today a little lie can cover it up. Tomorrow may be a big lie. Attempts will not yield results. Even if the lion is lying down, the food will not come and fall on his nose. History never agrees to correct that failures is a cause of trouble. Courage does not mean it ignores dangers. It takes courage to forgive rather than revenge. The first sign of boredom to say that Janus has warned. It takes courage not only to tell the truth but also to admit the truth. Those who change their will for very small disturbance will distance themselves from the goal. Luck can knock on everyone's door, but only a few have the skill to hear that call. Others need to learn from mistakes. For a time is not enough to learn for our own experience above all else. Don't share your secrets with anyone. They will destroy you if exposed. Who has controlled and conquered his desires? He rules the kingdom alone, impartially and gracefully. If a person good attitude, no other virtue is required. What is the value of other jewels if a man has frame? He should be friends with them when he turns 16 years old. Then those children will be great in his hands. Good for adults but not born. Don't tell anyone what you are doing. If a setback strikes, do not make a good effort to achieve it. The faith we have will frighten the enemy. The fear we will frighten the enemy. Before starting the work, you need to ask 3 questions. Why am I doing this? What are its results? Will I succeed? Is never you think deeply, you can move forwards to success. You bright nothing when you are born. But the name should be not word, should be attached in history. Man becomes a great deeds not by birth. The goodness of man radiates in every direction. To be like a lion to accomplish hard work. Don't be discouraged. That is a difficult task and do it like a lion. Getting up on time. Fighting and achieving what we have to learn by watching. The chicken is terms of putting it others. The donkey must learn to live happily without stopping. Tiring tasks and not being lazy and moving the deserts. A lie is never true as long as it has the power to lie. The importance of unity is eternal. Must believe in the smallest matter, for in them we have our strength. will only come close to greatness when it is great humility. It is foolish to of us hope for anything but ours. Faith gives light even in darkness. Half of the problems are due to bad thinking. Try and lose, but don't lose in trying. Wealth is true, only thing cannot be found on. The initiate said desires our experience, but the freedom and happiness are found. Giving is not learning, take. Service is not an opinion. Make the best self criticism and correct themselves. Only the wicked are degraded by blasphemy. Destination must be constant, should not be compromised in the attempt. Only then will victory be ours. A finger that wipes away tears is better than 10 fingers that clap their hands at you. If you know yourself, you know God. Speak the truth, think before you speak. One sees the world as one person, not pointing out the mistakes from others. You will know when you realize your mistakes. You may not able to help 100 people, but at least not to anyone. If you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe.